Hi everyone, so today's tutorial is a little different because in this one I'm going to unbox the art and craft supplies from Itsy Bitsy. Itsy Bitsy is an online shopping website for art and craft supplies, and this video is not sponsored by them. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So many of you were asking me from where I get my all art and craft supplies. So this is one of the sources I get all my art and craft supplies. So let's get started, and you have to go to Google and type Itsy Bitsy, and then you'll go to the Itsy Bitsy website. As you can see, you can always get 30% off, 40% off. They have so many offers always going on, and they have art supplies, they have baking, beads and jewelries, they have card making, crafts, home decor kits, and so many. So this was the packaging I've received, and the packaging was quite good. So once you open the packaging, you see the welcome letter from them, and these are the stencils I have ordered. So the MRP of this stencil was 210, and I've got some discount on those. And these are the decoupage paper. Decoupage paper, they are A4 papers, and they have 4 sheets inside it. A4, 2 designs. The cost of this one is 75 rupees, and again I've got some discount on those. So these are the decoupage paper I have ordered. They are really nice, and I've already used them in my other projects. If you want to see, you can just go to the link above. So next is this stencil. I have ordered 2 types of stencils. Again, the MRP is same, these 2, and I will show you how exactly they work. And these are the clear stamp I've ordered. The MRP of this one is 199, and these are for the flowers. Now let's open this. So these are the silicone glue. I've already used them, and they are really nice, and these are for 100 rupees. Again, I've got some discount on those, and I mostly use them to fix the hook behind the plates. And let's open this and see what exactly they have inside this. They have, oh my god, this is so small. Okay, so this one is a distress ink, and this is for 349. And this one is again I've ordered the brown color. This one is for 170. And these are the marker, permanent marker, golden and silver. So I'm going to open all of them, and I'm going to show you how exactly they work, starting from these stamps. So let's try the brown one first. Let's see. The stamp is not that dark. It's okay. I'll try on the whole stamp. So this is the brown stamp, as you can see. The stamp is okay, not that great. Like, as you can see, it's not that dark. Let's try the black one now. The ink pad is not that even, or maybe I'm using it for the first time. Let's try this one. The black one is also not that dark. Now let's try these stencils. This is too thin. This stencil is like really thin, as you can see. The quality of these stencils are okay, like they are not really thick, they are very thin. Yeah, this one is looking nice. So now let's open these markers and see how exactly they are. So as you can see, they are not very thin marker, they are quite thick. So you cannot use them in any detailing. You can only use them to make the borders, or if you want to write something really big. I'll just try it on the watercolor. As you can see, you can write it on any other surfaces. So all in all, the products are good from Itsy Bitsy, and if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.